Leonidas Thompson, the bird flock. Hi guys, good afternoon, and we're back with another game theory. Just when you thought we wouldn't do it, we did another one. Man, the internet's so dumb. So, this is going to be about birds of prey. It's coming out in like 3 months. Gotta make one. I mean, like, why not? It's going to come out in 3 months. People need answers. Okay, so I watched the teaser trailer, and it gave me a little bit of information. I think it was enough. So the
boys.
What? We're going to do different theories, Alex.
Oh.
So the girls are on one team. No. Oh boy.
And the boys are on one team.
Yes. And the guys try to go with Batman, but Batman's a lone fighter, so we won't let him. So, dang it! This is going to be the craziest movie. It's going to be a good DC movie. It's going to be like Suicide Squad, I think. Did I write that down? No, I didn't. Man, it's windy out here. Okay, so let's go. Next area. Okay, I'll do the next area.
Probably Holly Cook will get other gizmos and gadgets like a giant lollipop, like a giant lollipop launcher and a spicy and a rifle that's a hard gum shooter, hard gum rifle.
Yeah, they're not gonna put that in there. He did too much of the little things of the book. They're trying to kiditize it, you know. They're not gonna put it in there.
Maybe these are poisonous to make you laugh to death. But only make you have a lifespan of 3 seconds when you get hit by one of these.
Okay. You need 3 more seconds in the world?
Mhm.
And the most obvious of all, guys versus the girls. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed Birds of Prey, and sorry we
Ghost.
and please like, share, and subscribe to this video, or you can't see any more videos. Bye.